What would be your recommended weed and feed for a St. Augustine lawn? Thanks for your help. This is Ron from New Orleans, right? Where they have St. Augustine grass.
That's
yeah,
right.
New Orleans, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, so what do you think about that one?
Well, I spent 12 years in Mobile.
I was about to say, you down.
It's on about the same latitude as St. Augustine. And you know, weed and feed is, they're good products, and you know, you put them out there, one application, it's simple.
It's simple.
But it's my experience with St. Augustine centipede lawns and most lawns that you need to control weeds when you need to control weeds.
Aye, man. That's
and
exactly right.
you need to apply fertilizer when you need to apply fertilizer. And one thing you don't want to do on a St. Augustine lawn is put a weed and feed out in the fall. You know, because you're fertilizing that lawn in the fall, and you can get a flush of new growth, and you get that first killing frost, and you can kill your or damage your St. Augustine.
Very sensitive to cold weather.
So you know, I would say use the herbicide that you need to use to control the weeds that you need to use at the right time, and you can apply herbicides in the fall, and you can apply herbicides in the spring. You can apply herbicide in the summertime. You know, atrazine is probably I noticed back when I was down in Mobile and in the 80s and 90s, it was the #1 herbicide. And even now, it's still one of the best herbicides. Yep. It kills 32, 35 broadleaf weeds in St. Augustine lawns. Yep. But, and you can put it out, you know, it's a pre-emergent. You know, you can put it out in the fall. But fertilizer out when you need to fertilize, and herbicide when you need. Now that's my opinion.
No, that's mine too as well. So my thing is this. So, yeah, I would go to my local extension office. Make sure you get the soil tested, fertilize according to your soil test.
Exactly.
Right. That's what I would do. Okay.
Exactly.
And then control the weeds when they need to be controlled. I would use a pre-emerge. You just talked about one. Pendimethalin is another one that you can use in St. Augustine grass. I would use that.
That's right.
Yeah. Read and follow the label.
Exactly.
And then, of course, your cultural practices. Make sure, you're fertilizing according to the soil test, watering appropriately, right?
Right.
Mowing at the right height. Yeah.
That's right.
Because if you do that, that'll crowd out those weeds, Mr. Ron.
It's all part of the picture.
It's all part of the picture. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.